beautiful people, welcome back to another episode with me in the kitchen. Puffpuff is a known and very popular street food back in Cameroon and maybe the whole of West Africa. It's very common on the streets and appreciated by nearly everyone who gets to snack on it. It's crunchy on the outside and dense on the inside. So without much ado or say, let's go into the recipe. So we will start by sieving 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Always sieve your flour, guys. So let's sieve. So the next thing we are going to do is add half a cup of white granulated sugar to the flour, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of yeast. So we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. You can also add nutmeg, that is optional. So we have 2 cups of lukewarm water here, and I'm going to create a crater in the middle or a hole for easy mixing. Don't rush the mixing, do it gradually from inside out. Okay. Gently adding your water, a little quantity at a time. At this stage, you can come in with your hands, it's permitted. But make sure you wash your hands before doing this. Food hygiene, they say. We're going to put this aside, cover it up with a kitchen towel, and keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours with our plastic wrap and then with a kitchen cloth. Let it sit in the warmest corner of the house, or you can put on the oven for 10 minutes, put it off, and then let it sit in the oven. So now, guys, we are going to unveil everything to see how risen our butter is. We're going to preheat our oil and start frying, and you know that the oil is ready for frying when you drop a bit of the butter in it and it quickly rises up to the surface. Let's go into it already. So the first thing to do is to test the oil if it has attained the desired heat. So we scoop a bit and we drop. If it moves to the top, immediately it means the oil is ready. That's a sign, guys. It means we can fry now. You gather the butter into your palm, squeeze in between your thumb and your index finger. So like this, you squeeze the butter like this, form a ball between your thumb and your index finger, like this again, and then you drop into the oil. So if you give the puffs enough space in your frying pan, you notice that they turn over by themselves. Peep and see, guys. You see? Look at the turning. I think it's ready. We've achieved the golden brown coloration on the outside, and it's looking crispy too. So we take it out at this moment. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and share. Also click on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Love and light your way. Bye bye.